So, good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is information overload. So, this refers to the rapid increase of information because of modern technology. We will also discuss the reason why information is growing quickly and how it affects communication and businesses. Information overloads happen when there is too much information available for people to process. Because of this, internet information is easy to access, cheap to produce, and available almost everywhere. This causes the information to increase rapidly. One reason for information overload is the easy duplication and sharing information. Content can be copied and posted in many platforms. For example, if you posted a picture on Facebook, it can also be shared on Instagram. Because of this, the same information appear many times in different places. And also, communication technology has improved a lot. Before, people used mobile phones mainly for SMS and computers for email. Today, smartphones allowed people to send messages, email, pictures, and videos using many different apps. This makes communication faster and easier. Another reason for the increase of information is the growth of digital archives. A lot of printed material are now converted into digital format. These digital files are then stored to the cloud server, which have a large capacity storage. For example, is the libraries. Now they provide physical books as well as e-books and other online resources. Now let's discuss mobile social media and mobile commerce. So today, the increase of mobile devices has changed how people perform their daily activities. With the help of the internet, businesses have shifted from physical stores to online operation, also known as e-commerce. People can now send and receive information and access services anytime and anywhere using mobile devices. So what is mobile social media? Mobile social media means using social media platforms through mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Next is we have mobile commerce or m-commerce. So this refers to buying and selling products or services using mobile devices. So the term was introduced in 1997 by Kevin Duffy, and it allows people to perform online transactions anywhere through wireless technology. So in today, a lot of industries is now using m-commerce. So this includes the financial services. Banks now provide mobile banking application through these apps. People can now transfer money or pay bills using their smartphones. Next is mobile ticketing. It allows customers to book and pay for services online. For example, is airline companies. They encourage customers to book their flights online. Next is we have the service and retail industry. Customer can now place orders and pay for products using their mobile phones. And next is we have the information services. Mobile devices can also provide important information services. This includes news updates, emergency alerts, and weather or traffic updates. One example of an application that provides these services is the Google Map, which gives navigation and location-based information. And lastly is we have the information control. So this refers to managing who can access a certain information. Only people with proper authority or permission is allowed to access a specific data. So this helps provide privacy, maintain security, and ensure that information is used responsibly. And now let's discuss information control. So information control refers to managing who can access a certain information. So not everyone should have access to all types of data. Only people with proper authority or permission can use certain information. This helps protect privacy, maintain security, and ensure that information is used properly. And now let's discuss another topic, which is netiquette. So netiquette means a proper behavior when using internet. In this presentation, we will learn how to act responsibly and respectfully online, especially on social media and other messaging platforms. So what is netiquette? So netiquette comes from the words internet and etiquette, which means proper manners. So it refers to how a person should behave online. Different people around the world follows different rules, but the main goal is to promote respect and safety on the internet. Now we have three roles of netiquette for social media. First is the personalized IT rule. So this rule reminds us to be careful when accepting friends or followers. It is not important how many followers you have. What matters is that we interact with right people and communicate in a respectful way. Second is the off-limit rule. So this rule means we should know our limit when sharing our opinion online. Some topics are sensitive, and posting carelessly can lead to misunderstanding or problems, so we should think carefully before we post. And lastly is the tag your it rule. So this rule reminds us to be careful when tagging other people in posts or photos. Not everyone wants to be tagged. We should respect their privacy and personal boundaries. And now let's discuss the 6 rules and etiquettes for chat rooms and messaging. First is be careful with strangers. Before accepting a private chat, especially from someone you don't know, think carefully. Not everyone online is trustworthy. Next is chat group safety. Only include people you know and trust in group conversation. Avoid adding strangers and respect the safety of everyone in the group. Next is protect personal information. Never give out personal details while chatting, such as address, phone number, passwords, photos, or selfie. Next is save the conversation. If something feels wrong or important, save your conversation. It can be used as proof. It can also help in case of conflicts or issues. Next is always log out of your account, especially when using public computers or computer shop. This prevents others from accessing your account without permission. And lastly is adjust your setting privacy. Set your account private if needed. Control who can message you and limit who can see your profiles. This gives you control over your online safety.